Honda Accord, since its launch in India, has been doing pretty well. Second generation was a big hit. काफी youngsters and those who aspired to buy expensive cars had bought the Honda Accord back then. पर जब से fuel prices बढ़े, since then the sale of Honda Accord has gone down. However, now there is the all-new Honda Accord and we drive it. It doesn't start. There's no engine noise. That's because this is the Honda Accord Hybrid. Let's drive it to find out more about it. Honda Accord Hybrid में 2 liter engine आता है and since it's an hybrid, इसको electric motor भी है. Both together produce a power of 213 bhp and this makes it really powerful. It's more powerful than the competition as well. अब जो Accord Hybrid है, this basically drives on a series hybrid. अब ये कैसे चलता है मैं आपको बताता हूँ. The engine powers the electric motor which in turn powers the wheels. सिर्फ एक phase है of the engine when it's working directly with the wheels. उस phase में it gets connected to the wheels via a single gear. So when you're driving between 70 to 110, जब आप वो speed पे cruise कर रहे हो, that is when only the engine mode is on. So in total, there are 3 modes. One is the engine mode that I explained. One is the hybrid mode that is always on. और third mode है only electric power mode, जो button यहाँ पे है. You press that and the car will drive only purely in electric mode. लेकिन इसका range is limited to 1 kilometer only. This is more when you need to get back home without disturbing your neighbors. This would be the ideal mode to choose. Otherwise, गाड़ी हमेशा hybrid mode पे ही चलती है. You put your foot down and you feel the response coming in. इसका ARAF figure is about 23.1 kilometers to a liter. अब हमने ये गाड़ी को completely test नहीं किया है and we'll tell you the exact impressions when we drive it. However, for the time being, this is what we have. ARAI figures of 23.1 kilometers to a liter. Honda claims this is because of this drivetrain which is a lot more efficient than the competition. अगर हम interiors की बात करें, then the Accord Hybrid does look stylish and is appealing from the inside. It feels premium and even the cabin insulation is good. There is some amount of tire noise which is quite evident. इसका touchscreen system is good enough and there is one really good feature in this car which is when you turn left you can see the next 2 lanes in the camera on the center screen. This is what makes it further appealing. At the same time, another important aspect that really goes missing on the Accord is the back seat. Now this car is majorly for those who want to sit back and get driven around, but there is no sunblind, the armrest is too low and this is what really kills the premiumness what you look for in a 30-35 lakh rupee sedan. Honda Accord Hybrid नए अवतार में काफ़ी स्टाइलिश, फीचर लोडेड और प्रीमियम है. अब 2 इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. एक प्राइसिंग जो अभी तक अनाउंस नहीं की गई है. जस्ट बिकॉज दिस इज अ CBU, इसकी प्राइसिंग काफ़ी हाई रहेगी व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू CKD. Second point is the rear seat comfort could have been a little bit better. All in all, if you're looking to buy a Honda or even if you're looking to get a driver's sedan, then the Accord is definitely the choice for you. If you have liked our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to put a comment below if you have any questions or log on to motoroctane.com. Please share and do not forget to subscribe to Motor Octane.